Hello, I'm Peter Switzer, and thanks for joining me for my morning market monitor of what stock players really need to know for this week. And it is a week of data. The RBA will come out with its interest rate decision tomorrow, but what they actually say with that cut, and I'm sure they will cut, what they say is going to be really important to A, how many rate cuts we can expect, and B, what the stock market will do as a consequence of that. On Thursday, we get unemployment numbers, and they're going to be important as well. The RBA is going to be looking for either weakness or strength in the economy. Unemployment has been rising, and that will be a big watch for the RBA. Also, we get CBA's household spending on Friday. That's another important indicator. You've got wage price index, that's good for inflation, or good indicator for inflation, and the NAB business survey. Putting it all together, that will help the RBA and the market work out how many rate cuts might be coming. Overseas now, and the US gets a CPI, an inflation reading, really important for the market. But there's a whole lot of other data that will maybe answer the question around whether the US is actually going to recession. We're going to see retail numbers, industrial production, really important, and consumer confidence at the end of the week. And meanwhile, in China, really important for us, we'll see retail, production, and investment numbers. We want to see a stronger, growing China, which will be good for BHP share price, Fortescue, and BHP, and all the other miners as well. Putting it all together, very important week for data. I'll be watching it really carefully and updating you as the information comes through. Thanks for joining me, and remember, always look for market-making news that could indicate what you should be doing. Do that for the short term, but think about investing for the long term. Thanks for joining me. Talk to you tomorrow.